Dear students, now we will learn how to display two windows side by side. It means that uh, I will open two application windows. For example, MS Word and MS Excel. Now then I will arrange these two windows on one desktop screen together. See, first of all click at start button, then I am clicking here Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Now Excel get displayed here. Now click again on start button, and now I am clicking here Microsoft Office Word 2007. Okay, now Microsoft Word get displayed. Okay, so now you can see here on the taskbar MS Word and MS Excel. Two active applications are there, but only one is displayed at the time. So now I will arrange these two windows on the desktop screen together. For this we have to just right click on the taskbar. Now choose the option show windows side by side. Now see, MS Word and MS Excel both windows get displayed on the desktop screen together. Okay. In this way we can arrange windows together on one screen. Okay. Our next practical is uh, how to search a particular file or an application in your laptop or system. For this you have to just click at search button. In the search box I am typing music because I want to search songs. Okay, so here you can see music icon is available here. Now double click here. All the songs in your PC or laptop will get displayed here. Okay, now we can play any of the song by double clicking at anyone. Okay, this is the way how we can search anything in our laptop or system. Okay, so now again I am clicking at start button. Now I will let you show to search any application. So I am clicking here. Photo photos. Okay, and I have written here photos, and I so you can see here uh, the result of the which operating system has provided us. I am now clicking here photos icon. Now see, all the photos, pictures library, SkyDrive photos, devices, Flickr photos are available here. Now I have opened my pictures library here. 23 pictures are there. So in this way we can search any application or file from our laptop or computer. Now the one more topic we will cover here, how to explore pictures in our laptop. For this click at start button. Now we have to open our libraries and then pictures or sample pictures. I am opening my desktop because in my laptop Windows 8 is there. So I have clicked here on my computer icon. See, in libraries there is a pictures folder. Now all pictures are available here. See, we can perform many of operations on these pictures. For example, there is one option view. Okay, and there is one tab, view tab is there. Click here and we can arrange these pictures. These pictures you are visible to you this time. These are the thumbnails. For example, this is the thumbnail of the picture. Okay, now we can arrange these, we can change these thumbnails into different views. For example, whenever we click on the view tab and in layout, under layout group, there are many options like extra large icons. I am clicking here extra large icons. Now you can see the picture icons will become extra large now. Okay, now again click on view tab and click on small icons. Okay, now all the pictures are converted into small icons. Now I am clicking here large icons. Okay, लार्ज आइकन्स है, ये बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट यही सेटिंग्स थी, तो स्टार्टिंग में हमें लार्ज आइकन्स में ही पिक्चर्स डिस्प्ले हो रही थी. अगेन आई एम क्लिकिंग हेयर व्यू and I am clicking here content. Okay, see in the content view it is displays the name of the particular picture and the type of this file and its particular size. Okay, list view is there. In this way you can see your pictures in the form of a list. Okay, now I am changing its view to the large icons by default option. Okay, now one option is there, share. It means that we can share this file, share this picture. For example, you want to share your pictures with your friend, so you can copy these pictures to CD. Okay, and you can even copy these pictures to pen drive and then give to your friend. So burn to disk option is there under this share tab, and the send group burn to disk option is there. If you have an empty CD, you can insert this CD into the CD drive and then select any particular picture. Okay, and you can select multiple pictures by using the shift key and then clicking all the pictures, pressing the shift key from one finger and simultaneously select the pictures also. Now click on the share tab and choose burn to disk option, because see a message is displayed, burn to disk, insert a disk, please insert a writable disk into D drive, but this time CD is not available with me, a blank CD. So if if you have a blank CD with you, then you can insert a blank CD inside the CD drive, and just by following these steps you can copy these pictures from your computer to the CD. Okay, now click on the manage. There are two manage tabs. One manage tab is for library and one other manage tab is for picture tools. Click on the manage picture tools. Okay, now see one option is visible here, slideshow. Okay, I am clicking here, any picture is there. Okay, now by moving this particular arrow will move you to the picture, previous picture of your library, and this particular arrow will move you to the next picture of your library. Okay, now I am clicking again there. See, to to see the slideshow of your pictures, just you have to select one picture and then click on manage picture tools and click on slideshow. See, now all the pictures of your library are displaying in this slideshow. Okay, so students, we have covered three topics: how to search a particular file in your computer or laptop, how to explore pictures library, and how to display two windows side by side. Do practice these topics on your laptop. Okay, have a safe life. stay healthy, stay safe at home. Thank you.